KUKA.RoboSpin, an add-on package for the KUKA.ServoGun software solution, enables better spot welding on aluminum components via the execution of a rotational motion about the tool center point. The prevention of adherence of the tips to the metal ensures improved weld quality and a longer tip life, leading to a more efficient use of resources and key savings. In traditional aluminum resistance welding, the surface oxidation creates higher resistance, impeding the current flow from reaching the weld joint where it's needed. Also, aluminum can build up on caps, requiring tip dressing and further decreasing quality while adding to both time and cost. Enter KUKA.RoboSpin. Under an active patent, RoboSpin is a proven and well-developed solution for better weld quality when performing aluminum resistance welding. By performing a mechanical rotation during the weld sequence, the weld tips actually scratch through the oxidation layer, allowing the current to travel more efficiently to where it is needed at the joint. Compared to traditional methods, RoboSpin provides up to 10 times more cap life, reduces the number of tip changes by 1 to 2 per shift, and boosts overall weld quality. With RoboSpin, you'll notice there is less disruption to the surface condition and lower contact resistance. A constant rotating condition leads to a more consistent spot weld diameter. It also means less heat in tips, longer tip lifetime, and greater weldability of conventionally non-weldable materials and coatings. As a positive side effect of RoboSpin, the performed spot weld looks rather polished than welded, which reduces possible needs for extra work before paint is applied. Meet your aluminum resistance welding challenges head-on with KUKA.RoboSpin. Contact KUKA today.